let's just jump right into this tutorial. I already have my HD wig cap on, as you can see. Now, I will be honest with you, this is not the best application I've ever done when applying my wig cap, but I really don't want to have to reapply it, so I'm hoping that I can get away with this. So when I try the wig on, hopefully I'll be able to get away with just applying my wig, even though this part is not exactly perfect. But if it looks a mess when I put the wig on, if I can see this peeping through, then I'm gonna have to fix it. So the wig that I'm rocking today, it is from Alipearl, and I have worn their wigs in the past, but I'll let you know right now, they have really been stepping it up when it comes to pre-bleach and pre-pluck wigs, which I'm sure anyone who buys a wig, you kind of want the wig to come like already done for you. You don't want to have to be doing like all the tweezing and all the extra work. So yeah, they have really been stepping it up. And this is how the wig is looking straight out of the box. If I was like selling wigs, this is exactly how I'd want my wigs to come. Like I want it to be pre-bleach, pre-pluck, so all you have to do is like literally pop it on your head and you don't have to do any work to it to make it look perfect. Now, I'm a bit of a perfectionist, so I actually think they did a really good job on bleaching the knots, and everything that you need for your wig is literally in the box. So you have your HD wig cap, and you also have a melting band as well, and this super cute little mirror right here. Okay.
Now this wig is 180 density, 24 inches. All the info will be listed in the description box down below. And yes, they did a really good job on the hairline. It is tweezed to perfection, and you really don't need to go in and tweeze anymore. But yeah, it looks pretty good.
So this is what the wig looks like on the inside. You have the two combs on the sides and the comb on the very back, like right by the nape. I absolutely hate these things. I do not use them, do not care for them, so I'm going to cut it off. I mean, are you seeing this hairline? I know it's a little low, but
okay, are you guys seeing the hairline on this wig? I literally do not have to do anything to it. It is tweezed to perfection, and the hairline is going to give scalp. However, the hairline does go a bit low on me, and I don't like when my wig goes so low, especially on the sides. So I'm definitely going to cut out a bit of the hair. So when I'm cutting the lace, I'm just going to cut some of the hair as well. That way it lines up with my face shape properly. It looks really good. I think they really did a good job. Oh my gosh. Okay, so my wig cap, it is not the greatest, but you know what? Because the wig is going to be coming down here a bit, I think I'll be able to get away with not reapplying my wig cap, which I'm all here for. And I think I'm gonna do a center part today because it has been a minute. You know, I like to live in my side part, but I'm gonna do a center part today. But let me brush this hair out, and the hair info, everything will be in the description box down below. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut off the sides though, because that's usually the hardest part to do. Well, for me, especially on camera. So I'm just gonna cut away the sides right here.
Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and cut 3 sections. So I cut the front, and I'm also going to change the hairline a little bit in the front. I kind of like a V-shape widow's peak hairline because it matches my hairline perfectly. So I like to create that. Now I'm going to go in with my Sticky Little Secret Skin Protector. You do not need to spray this all over your forehead. Spray it on the cotton and then pat it into the forehead, rub it into the forehead. And then I'm going to go in with my Sticky Little Secret lace glue, and I'm just going to apply this along my forehead area once the skin protector is dry. So you want to wait until it's dry, and then you apply your lace glue. This is going to enhance the glue performance. The glue is going to be stronger, and you can wear your wig for up to a week. It depends. Now, some people can wear for up to 2 weeks. It depends on how much glue you're applying as well. I do 2 layers, and that can last me up to a week. If I do a little bit more, it can last me up to like a week and a half, maybe even 2 weeks. But I do work out. Well, I'm not working out a whole lot right now, but when I was working out, you guys, I always tied my hair down when I'd go to the gym. Now, as you can see, I waited for the glue to dry clear. Once it's dry clear, I'm going to go ahead, pull that lace down and cut away all that extra lace. So I like to cut the lace according to my hairline. So I'm cutting off some of that extra hair, as you can see at the side, because the hairline did go pretty low on the side, and I'm going to add a little bit more glue at the edges just to make sure that wig is in place. And I'm doing the double melt method, so I applied the melting band and I'm just gonna let this sit for about 5 to 10 minutes. And girl, are you seeing that? Hairline looks amazing, and I haven't even melted it yet. So I'm gonna go in with my melting spray and I apply that to the hairline as well, and go in with the blow dryer on the cool setting, tie it back down for 10 minutes, and then remove it, and voila, hairline looks amazing. And I'm gonna go in with my hot comb and just flatten it down a bit. I decided to keep the hair straight because I haven't done like straight center part in a very long time, and I just love how clean it looks. I didn't do any baby hairs because honestly I didn't think it was necessary, but honestly that is optional. If you love baby hair, go ahead and do you, girl. Yeah, and I'm just going back in with the hot combs on the side as well. And I just used the spray, the hairspray. I didn't use a hair wax because sometimes I don't really love using a wax. And I'm going to go in with my hot comb. Not the hot comb, I mean the flat iron. I'm going to go in with the flat iron and just straighten out that a bit and go back in with the spray because I did have some flyaways. But yeah, I don't really love using the wax as much, the hair wax, because sometimes I feel like it just leaves my wig feeling greasy and I don't like that. So I feel like the hairspray works a lot better. But are you seeing that hairline? It is nice and clean. I didn't have to do anything to it. But yeah, this is pretty much the end. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope it was helpful and you learned something. I'll see you guys in another video very soon. I love you guys so much and thank you for watching. Bye.